welcome back to Dog and Partridge, a place of Frohnheim craft ales. If you haven't met me before, this is my world famous brother, Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge. Afternoon, bro.
Afternoon, bro.
How's it going?
It's not going bad, actually, because have you seen on our YouTube channel, we're up to 499 subscribers.
I have. One more to go.
One more to go, and we'll have a 500 special edition. Wonder who the lucky subscriber will be.
Oh.
You never know what you could win.
You never know. You could win something. Oh, could you?
Beer.
Beers. That came round in here. Are we reviewing beers then, bro?
Yes, we're reviewing beers from the one and only award-winning pub shed place that is our microbrewery bar pub place.
That's an easy thing to say, isn't it?
And today, bro, we're going to kick off with a new one to me, and I think it's newish on the market. I haven't seen it before. It's called a Brut Force Belgian Saison.
Yeah, brew your own beer, Belgian Saison. Well, the label...
Just show the tin to the camera.
The label's ripped a little bit, so we can't really see it.
There's a bit of ripping time.
So there you go, it's one of them. Looking at that then, bro, I'm guessing it's a malt extract kit.
It's a malt extract kit, one tin kit. I did actually add another bag of malt extract to it.
Well, yeah.
That kit apparently does only make, though, 15 litres.
Okay. What's that in beerage pintage, mate?
And a clue.
Ah.
Well, most kits make 23 litres, so it's 8 litres short of a...
so it's quite food then, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okie dokie. Yeah, I can't really discern much from the label.
Down here in the cellar.
Okie dokie.
No, it doesn't tell you a lot of information on the cellar. On the label.
So being a Belgian, I'm guessing it's going to be like goldeny sort of... Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just get some more from the cellar. Hello, I'm back.
He's back. Right then. Oh,
what do you reckon you say? A bit of a long, strong, malty nose there to it, bro.
It's got some complex going on to it.
Yeah, I don't smell a lot of hoppiness though.
No.
So here we go.
Let's give it a go. It's alright.
It's alright. It's light, it's gold.
It's not going to say anything to me. It's a little bit watery. I know it's bitter and that sounds stupid, but it's not punch packed, is it?
And it's not punch packed at all. There's a good maltiness background like you do get in a Belgian ale. Belgian ale. Yeah, not kicking a load of hops down the road.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with it.
No, it's not. Again,
It's
we
nice.
had this with the German Pilsen and the Belgian ales. It's not very inspiring.
It's just not. I mean, I could drink a pint, but I wouldn't rush the back to get another one.
No.
You know, if it's all you had on the bar, I'd quite happily drink it. You know, it's not. There's nothing wrong with it.
I think I'll get fed up after 2 pints and go.
Okay.
And go. Let's go and search for more beer from another pot.
Right, yeah. Well, yeah. Well, there you go then. Easy to brew. Obviously.
Dead easy.
Yeah.
Dead easy. Just stick your tin in warm water. Let the malt extract warm up. Pour it into boiling water.
Cheap.
Dissolve. Yeah, just cheerful.
There you go. Cheap and cheerful. If you want cheap
About
and
15
cheerful,
quid, I think that was.
perfectly acceptable sort of beer that doesn't really knock your socks off.
I thought I'd give it a go because, like, you know.
You got to do these things, haven't you?
Gotta do these things.
What do you reckon out of 10, bro?
So,
I'll go with that. It's about 7. It's fine. It's alright. No special.
no special.
Right then, what are we moving on to next, bro?
Oh, well, yeah, we're off to Mangrove Jack now. We're off to Australia. We are doing a
One of these is one of these brew pouch type things. Well, then, I like these.
Juicy IPA.
Oh, I say. Mangrove Jack's Craft Series Beer Making Kit. Pilot Batch Limited Edition.
Yes, a limited edition, new on the market again. As we say, we try to bring new things as they come out.
This is a Juicy Session IPA. It's 4.8, brews 23 litres, like you say. Citra, West Coast yeast, bitterness 3.5, IBU 22 to 28, gold. I need to tell you everything on it.
Are you showing the package?
I have showed them. I'll show you again though, just because they're moaning at me. But there you go, look.
There you go. Full of passion fruit and mango, I believe, like you say. It does say on the packet, additions, 1.2 kilograms of further malt extract. So you do need another 1.2 just of light malt extract to add to that.
Right, yeah.
To get the best out of this brew.
And this is I think it's a 4.3, so it's quite a nice session beer.
Yeah. But it's 4.8 actually. I rubbed it the other day.
He's fooled me into thinking it's only a 4.3. It's a 4.8. Oh well, never mind.
It's not quite clear. I presume it's meant to be
I
easy.
don't mind that though, because it smells gorgeous.
Wow, there's a strong fruity smell there, isn't there? Yeah,
it's going to do what it says on the packet, this one is. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Now that is up my street again.
Well, if you like passion fruit and mango, that is smack in there. This is almost like a breakfast cereal fruit juice in beer.
It is a bit, but to me, it's still got like nice. It's got a lot of that citral hop coming through. It's nice. It's dry. It's cracking. To me, that is a brilliant, fantastic beer.
Cracking out, cracking. I agree with what you said there. The citrus bring a nice dryness, a kicking through to the back.
I know what you're saying. You've got that grapefruity sort of background taste. Yeah.
Well, it does say it's got passion fruit and mango in it. Actually, last night I had a pint of the Tiny Renville Pango.
Oh,
which
did you?
Yes, it's quite nice. It reminds me very much a similar kind of thing. It has mango and passion fruit in it, and it's basically it's nice.
This is fantastic, brilliant,
Brilliant.
Yeah, bang on 10 out of 10 all day long. That
10 out of 10.
That's fantastic. Sorry, but it is. Boom.
Would it be in our 10 out of 10 top 10 10 out of 10 beers?
It's getting there, you know.
Yeah, it's getting there.
It's getting there.
We'll have to make a list and then bring that to you. If you keep watching and keep subscribing,
Problem
we'll bring a
is-
list to you of our top 10 10 out of 10 beers.
Problem is, my brother was asking me this the other day. What is our top 10 out of 10 beers?
I was indeed.
We've done, I think now, somewhere between 80 and 90 videos, and a lot of them are 10 out of 10s. Because we do probably 3 beers a video, so we're talking well in excess of over 200 beers. To get it down to 10 is very difficult.
How do you pick your favourite out of that one?
Exactly. How do you do it? But we'll give it a go.
We'll give it a go. This is what we're here for, to do
Yeah.
these hard work.
Right.
Because you're going to brew.
In tradition, have we got another beer?
We have indeed, bro. We have indeed.
Lovely jubbly.
I have actually bottled some of that as well. And I can assure you it's exactly the same in a bottle as it is through the corner kit.
It's not going to last because I'm taking it home and he doesn't know about it.
And talking of bottling, I don't really like bottling. I know a lot of people do in the home brewing community. They like a lot of
Not
bottling.
everybody's got the same setup as you, bro.
No, unfortunately, people like bottling. But I think for our next beer, which is
Brut Force Dry IPA in the Bohemian range from Dark Rock. It's one of these babies again. Yeah, got all that.
and newsflash, Shop for Homebrew have now completely changed their name to Dark Rock Brewing.
That's that little logo on there.
Making it easier for you there now. All you're going to do is just go to Dark Rock Brewing on that interweb, and these kits come on.
Lovely jubbly. Rightio, let's have a look. Description. Brut beers are highly carbonated with moderate to high hop aromas. Brut IPAs are the latest trending craft beer. Don't like the word craft beer. The style is bone dry and highly effervescent. It's as close to a champagne as an IPA can get.
Which gives me another idea for bottling.
Providing clean, crisp hop flavours.
Yes.
It goes on. Oh, hang on. This is good bit.
Oh, this is a good bit. We like this bit.
So the flavour and aroma of the Brut Force explodes with full character, then finishes dry and refreshing with a little bit of. It's popular with diabetics and Weight Watchers. Now, why is that, Brad?
Because it's low in calories.
Because it's low in calories.
Low calorie beer.
All the alcohol, all the sugar is turned to alcohol. Yeah.
Low calorie beer. That's what we've been waiting for.
Yeah, I know you're about.
And I was also saying about bottling and champagne and all the rest of it, and I don't really like bottling because you got little small bottles. I thought. There you go.
You've put
Some problem, haven't I?
in that.
There you go. 2 litres in there.
Problem is, once he opens it, we've got to drink 2 litres of it.
We've already got this for Father's Day. It's got a picture of my dogs on the front, and I'm hoping it's gassed up. And if it doesn't, this will be a dramatic fail in the DMP.
Hey! Whoa!
Hey?
Hey? Well, it was very much like champagne, it has to be said.
Didn't it? Let's pour something out then, kid.
Do you want me to hold that up?
Yeah. Here we go. It's smoking.
Oh, it's smoking. Oh, it's fizzy. Oh, it's worked. Ooh, steady there, bro.
It's a bit light. That's so light. Fizzes like champagne. Looks like champagne.
Oh,
And it's beer.
It's a bit lively, isn't it, eh?
Hey?
Does that mean I've got to stick my finger out when I drink it? Oh, posh, like, you know. Right.
How clear is it, bro? How clear is it?
That,
I'll put that down there,
folks, is as clear as you're ever going to get. Look at that, baby.
Hey, look at that. That is crystal super duper clear. And I can see the little bubbles rising from the bottom.
Yeah, you can indeed. It's like a champagne. He's made of champagne, bless him. Even smells a bit like one there.
It does. It's good. You can smell the dryness. I've got a bit on my tongue now. Just.
Let's go. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Blooming egg.
That's good. The dryness doesn't really kick in till you get the full mouth down. And the dryness is really good. I really like that dryness. And
if you do like a champagne, you're going to like that, because like it does what it says on the box. That's the closest a beer's ever going to get to a champagne.
That is fantastic. Yeah. The smoothness there and the dryness combined with a mild, I would say a mild hop punch.
Yeah.
It does really
I can't
come
get over
through.
how much it does smell like a champagne.
It's cracking. In this kit, you get a little test tube file type thing of an enzyme called Brut Force.
Ooh.
And you add that into your brew, and this is what makes the beer drop really low in gravity, taking it below 1.1001.
How strong is this baby?
This baby is a 6.3.
And I think you can tell, because I've got rosy cheeks and I've only had a slurp.
Now, I have corny cake the rest.
Lovely jubbly.
So we've got some here, bro. There you go.
Oh, right. Oh, right.
In the corny cake.
Right, okay.
And as you can tell, it's just as clear. Well, it might, I can't see.
Mine is. And I'll tell you what, it's so lovely and cold day, isn't it?
Yeah, through the chiller.
Cheers, have some more of it.
And obviously we won't be quite so fizzy as that.
Ooh. Oh. Now, I'm going to be controversial here. I reckon it actually loses something.
Just to use a little bit of the old life a little bit.
On this occasion, and it's very rare of me to say this, I think the bottled one's better.
What do you think it loses then? What do you think?
I'm not sure. Maybe I don't know some of the brute force, to be honest, but
I think because that retains like a bubbly type feel, like a champagne, but not super stupid fizzy.
Yeah.
That gives you a bit more life on the tongue. Makes your tongue dance around with the flavours a little bit more.
Throw it out of the bowl, mate.
Oh, you know, we'll do it then, don't you?
Drinking the rest of that bowl. Great. Fab, I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
It's definitely a 10 out of 10. Great kit. Great kit
cracking.
again.
Easy to make.
That was a part mash kit there, if we didn't explain for viewers at home. So you do get 2 bags of malt extra in there and a bag of, I think it's oat flaky type things, or oat maize or something. You steep that in some hot water, 66 degrees for around about 30 minutes, then bring it to the boil, add your malt extra and your little enzyme, and away you go.
And there you go, get some of that. Cracking. Oh yeah, brilliant.
And if you fancy some low calorie beer or you're a diabetic, go to the shop.
Some of that.
Go to Dark Rock Brewing and get yourself some of that. There's no excuses there.
I think that's about it.
That is about it. I would like to say thank you to all those new people who have subscribed. We've got one lucky person to go to reach that 500. If you are watching on Facebook and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And you could be that lucky person.
Yeah. Cracking.
Oh, well then, bro, I reckon it's about it.
It is.
So until next time, it's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from him. 2 to 3.
Be seen.